When I was younger, I wanted to be a doctor. Financially and opportunity was not there as a kid right out of high school. I was just taking my undergrad when I had an opportunity to go work in the automotive industry. And I did very well. Wound up dropping out of school. And by the time I was 23 years old, I had a six-figure salary, company car, benefits, and thought I could do this for the rest of my life. Over the years, the passion dwindled, and it was all about a paycheck and paying for the toys and the travel. And I realized life's got to have something more than materialistic things. And one day I just finally said, that's it, I'm done. I think I'm going to go into nursing. I gave my notice, came down to this school here because I heard a lot of great things about it. Said I wanted to come here, I want to be a nurse, what do I need to do? They handed me a list of the prerequisites. I enrolled, got accepted, and now I'm just looking forward to enjoying work and helping people for the rest of my life versus just how much money can I make.
I decided on nursing when I entered high school. I decided to take the medical clinical pathway. And when I got in doing clinicals in high school and just taking the classes learning about the human body, I realized that nursing was what I really wanted to do. And I've always liked to care for others and talk to other people, and I feel like nursing as a profession will allow me to do that every day.
So a few ladies that I actually graduated high school with went through the program here at Margaret H. Rollins, and then a colleague actually attended the school as well. So after communicating with them and kind of looking at my options, I agreed to attend Margaret H. Rollins.
When a patient leaves a hospital, they're always going to remember who their nurse was in their nurse's face, because that's who was taking care of them the most. So far at the Margaret H. Rollins School of Nursing, I've already been able to experience the hands-on aspect of the school.
My style of learning is I can't just sit there and read a book and absorb it. I need to physically see, touch, do. And we're only in month 1, and I've already know how to do an intramuscular injection, subcutaneous injections.
So far it's been amazing. The hands-on experience, we've had lots of clinical time already.
There's always a teacher around the corner you can ask if you need some help.
So we are always in contact with any instructor that we need, and they're always willing to help, which is really helpful to us.
I am currently a student through the dual degree program with the University of Delaware, so I plan on getting my bachelor's through the University of Delaware and move forward to hopefully becoming a nurse practitioner.
My long-term goal is to be a nurse practitioner, and I hope to stay here working at Beebe. Like I said, Southern Delaware is where I plan on spending the rest of my life.
So when I finish here, I will definitely be getting my bachelor's through the University of Delaware, and I will more than likely be pursuing my master's while working as a nurse, hopefully at Beebe.